using Prysmian Portable on-site. With Prysmian Portable, you can measure all electric equipment from 3 kV. First of all, you need to decide which mode suits your experience and the desired output of the measurement. Is it basic mode? Intended for quick scans of cables, joints and terminations. It gives you a reliable warning based on a traffic light interface. In this mode, you should only use the external AC cinch unit with magnetic sensor. Advanced mode, which provides simple and fast diagnosis based on PD patterns only. Or Prysmian mode, designed for PD experts needing complex diagnosis. With advanced and Prysmian modes, you need to check first to see whether the internal sensor receives a suitable AC cinch signal. If not, you need to use the external AC cinch unit. Once you've selected your mode, you need to check that you have all the necessary tools and accessories. That means tripod, telescopic stick, Velcro strap, AC cinch unit. Once you're ready, you need to know where the Prysmian Portable will be placed in relation to the installation you want to measure. Prysmian Portable should be positioned at every joint or earthing cable at a maximum length of 1 km each. We recommend to take a measurement every 500 meters, or at every joint. In this way you can reliably assess PD throughout the entire system. For transformers, a measure should be taken at the base. And in the case of electrical motors and generators, by positioning Prysmian Portable near the terminal box, you can detect PD inside the machine. For medium voltage cables in switchgears, you should open the floating floor and use the telescopic stick to measure each of the cables by touching them. In systems featuring 3 core cables, we recommend taking 3 readings, each at 120 degrees around the circumference of the cable. The maximum length of 3-core cable covered in one direction in general is 50 meters. Once the measure is taken, simply click Save. Add the information you need and click Upload. You can now return to the office,